Recently in PGMN, you came out and said you were a lesbian.
So ang chismis na hindi na nga chismis, nag-come out na nga si Madam Bing Buangzon, and she even said the moment she admitted it was fun daw. Super landi ng lola nyo.
So,
That was fun.
so why did you finally choose to come out?
I did not plan it. But these twins, you know, you see them, they're really fun. I just felt so at ease na, wala, it was natural for me to say,
Ibinunyag pa ni Madam na nung bagets pa daw siya, a girl kissed her daw, and of course dahil maagang naglantot si Lola, she kissed the girl back. How sweet and so romantic naman, Madam Bing Buangzon.
so when I was in the dorm, you know, and I went home, and my mother asked, why are you home? It's not break. She sat beside me on my bed, and I said, a girl kissed me.
Kissed a girl and I liked it.
And I kissed her back. And I thought, you know, I was guilty, right? And my mother did like this lang on my forehead and said, you'll be fine tomorrow.
Yung ba kinalulugod ng Diyos? Palakpakan mo yung lalaki mong anak na ginawa niya na nagpakabakla?
Pero ang tanong, kailan kaya si Madam Fiona at ang kanyang rumored na jowa ayon sa chismis ng pambansang political marites na si Ramon Tulfo? For sure, maraming shibuli ang boboto sa kanya niyan. Nagtatanong lang naman po mga DDS.
So, palapitin ang mga media?
Opo.
Sige.
Lapit na. Go na. Go. Double time.
Hey, i-release mo ang media.
Release.